Sneakers RV here, coming to you with a very fresh arrival. It is a 2015 Winnebago Vista with less than 10,000 miles on her. All the way from Newfoundland. Power awning. Lots of storage in the back. Backup camera. Oh, I forgot to take the slide out. I'll be doing that here shortly. Less than 10,000 miles. The front steer tires, folks, are older than we like, so we're going to replace them. They're certainly not worn out, right? They're just too old. This is sitting on the Ford chassis with a Ford V10. Looking good. Little on the faded side. The sun will do that to you. But the outside is nice and clean. One roof mounted AC. Let's go take a look in. Ta-da! Slide is out. I see a slide topper. Slide is for the U-shaped dinette and also the sofa. All right, now we're walking into the Vista. Let's go. Okay, one thing's for sure. The outside may be a little faded, but the inside, wow, it looks brand new. Backup camera. Here's a look at the slide. That converts into a bed. This huge U-shaped dinette, that converts into a bed. We got MCD roller shades throughout. I'll show you the bunk here. I'll save the best for last. Beautiful countertops. Well-placed TV. Folks, we have not cleaned this unit. We just took it in late yesterday. We're doing a video on it now. It's still frozen. Nice and clean, clean. Oh, I love customers that take good care of their stuff. Lots of storage here. Again, more MCD blinds. There's a great spot here to mount a TV. See, one was never put up. All right, accordion style door. There's a shower with a skylight. All right, across the ways. Love where they put that fan. Look how clean that is. Hard to believe this is a 2015. So under 10,000 miles on her. And I think they only camped in it when they were traveling, because you can definitely tell that this has not been used much. Oh yeah. Had some, oh yeah, floor mats are still there. I'll take those out. All right, so your auto levelers are here. Okay. This bunk, super easy. It's manual. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. All right, step one, two little hooks, unhook them. Goes down one way. All right, next up, just pull this down. Huh, that was easy. Can I do it with one hand going back up? Up like so, and then up like so. Make sure it hooks in. That's it. What do you think of that, kiddos? Okay, folks, that is our 2015 Vista. It is absolutely awesome. We're actually thinking about sending this out to Kent County Shinery to do a complete buff and wax on the outside and get that shine again. Of course, if we do that, we're gonna replace all the stickers. And I assure you, if that's getting done, the selling price is definitely going to change. It'll increase. So if you want a fantastic coach with a little bit of a dull exterior, thanks to the sun, and you want a great deal, now's the time. If we send this out, we'll be making a new video and new pictures, and there'll be a price change. So hurry in! 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. I certainly hope to see you soon. All right, as promised, we're gonna take a look at the basement compartments. That's a through and through. Nice storage here, plus the holding tank. Take a look at the storage back here. Huge. Yeah. And we got the Onan 4,000 watt generator. We got the wet bay. Take a look at the storage over here. Fuses, propane. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.